How to create a PayPal donate link. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can actually get a link from PayPal, which is for donation. So you can put it on your website, share it on your social media individually. It doesn't really matter. You will just get the link, and I'll show you step by step how to get that. So first is going to be this is just Google Sites. I'll just show you as an example how it's actually going to be usable on a website. But what you need to do is actually just go to paypal.com, and then from here you want to basically just log into your account. So I'm just going to go ahead, log into my account, and get back to you once that's done. Okay, so once you actually log into your PayPal account, I need you to go to the settings tab on the top right, which is this gear icon. Now from the settings tab, we will basically, you will have your account settings, security settings, data and privacy, and so much more. We want to skip all of this and we want to head on over to seller tools. So just go ahead and click on seller tools. And then once this opens up, we actually just want to go for the selling online option here. And there are going to be 3 different ones. We want to go for the PayPal buttons. So just go ahead and click on PayPal buttons. And then from here, we want to select the donate one. Here you can obviously create multiple different ones. Buy now, pay links and buttons, add to cart, subscribe, smart subscribe. And there's an example on how that actually looks like for the buy now one. It looks almost like this. You can feel free to customize it however you like. But we're not interested in any of this. What we actually want is this one, which is donate, accept one-time and reoccurring donations with a custom donate button, shareable link, or QR code. Shareable link is the one that we actually want. So just feel free to click on this one. Now, once you click on that, we have 2 different options now. Create a new donation page, whether it's going to be customizing a button or creating a link, which is the one that we want. So just go ahead and click on get a link. A button is going to again look a little something like this, but with the donate version. But a link is going to be a link which you can just feel free to share. So just go ahead and click on get a link, and then we will start the customizations. Okay, so once you create that, there are going to be a few options that you can select, which is just going to customize how it actually looks like on the right side here. So if you want to display your logo, if you want to add an image to your donation page, you can also add an inspiring message or, description or whatever it may be to that donation page as well. So if you want to do that, feel free to do so. And then head on over to continue and just click on that. And in here, you'll basically set up the currency you will receive donations in. So whichever one that you actually want, and also how much do you want donors to give, whether it's going to be any amount or an exact amount. And also more options here that you can feel free to set up, which I'm not really going to go through all the settings here. Regardless, you just want to, again, click on continue once you're done with these settings. And this is also one last step of setting up. And again, whenever you add an option from those, you can feel free to view them on the right panel from mobile view or desktop view. And then once you are done, you can just click on publish, and we are pretty much good to go. Finally, once we actually click on publish, we will be able to share our donation page with a shareable link or QR code. If you want the link, you can just click on get link, like so, and then you want to basically copy this link, and you're pretty much set. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.